Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm going to walk you through how to enable remote desktop on your Windows 10 computer. This feature allows you to remotely access your computer from another device. Let's dive right in. First, open up Advanced System Settings. This will open up the System Properties window. Here, go to the Remote tab. Check the box that says Allow remote connections to this computer. Optionally, you can also allow remote connections from this computer with network-level authentication. Click Apply to save your changes. Next, you'll need to ensure that remote desktop connections are allowed through the Windows Firewall. Open the Windows Firewall settings by searching for Windows Firewall in the Windows search bar. Click on Allow an app or feature through Windows Firewall on the left-hand side. Scroll down to find Remote Desktop in the list of apps and features. Make sure the checkbox is ticked for both private and public networks if you want to allow remote connections from both types of networks. If you're on a domain network, ensure that the appropriate checkbox is also ticked for domain networks. Click OK to save your changes. And that's it. You've successfully enabled remote desktop connections on your Windows 10 computer and configured the necessary firewall settings. Now you can access your computer remotely from anywhere. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more helpful Windows 10 tutorials. Feel free to share this video with your friends on social media. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.